Today we're going to be cooking with whole wheat pocket pita. This is so much healthier than just like the regular pita. So this one's high in fiber, which is good for weight loss and also promotes heart health. It's also high in B vitamins like iron, magnesium, and zinc, which helps to promote brain function. Okay, you're gonna need some mild cheddar, pepperoni, a little bit of mozzarella if you want. You don't have to do 2 cheeses, but I want to. Rayo's homemade marinara, and whole wheat pocket pita. Guys, this recipe is so easy. I can't believe I'm even making this video. It's basically a healthier version of an adult Lunchable, but one that you have to put in the oven. I really love to have these ingredients on hand, especially on those busy days where I have to drive an hour just to get home from work, and I want to eat something healthier than a frozen pizza, but I don't want to slave over the kitchen and make a full-blown meal, because nobody has time for that. Okay, so you could technically use whatever sauce you want. I love Rayo's just because a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot of sauce. Even with this much sauce, you can still taste the flavor in every single bite. It's relatively healthier than other brands that are out there, and they sell it at Costco. So you really just can't go wrong with it. When it comes to the cheese, I love sharp cheddar, but I also love the taste of mozzarella when it's in the oven and it's melted. It just tastes so good. So I do want to point out that I did buy great value pepperonis, which probably aren't the healthiest, but I'm only putting like 8 pieces on, so I think it's going to be okay. Okay, so you just have to trust me that this is going to taste so good in the end. So if you want to add anything else, feel free to do that. If you want to put jalapenos, I don't know if you want to put pickles on it, whatever you want to put on, just go for it. If it doesn't taste good, then you don't have to make it again. It's going to be fine. So my one regret in making this is that I didn't have any sprinkle on Parmesan cheese to put on after I was done making this. So I do want to give a quick shout out to my mom, who not only taught me about pita pizzas, but has also made me many of them to eat. Okay, so this might look good right now, but just wait until it's done. It's going to look so much better. Anyways, you're going to want to put the oven on 400 degrees, and you're going to want to keep it in the oven for about 10 minutes, maybe 12. So just kind of check on it and pull it out when it looks ready. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful pizza.